Hi, today I'm making two kinds of oatmeal cookies. The first is butterscotch oatmeal cookies, and then the next one will be iced oatmeal cookies. So I'm beginning with one large batch of oatmeal dough. So that's going to be 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of unsalted or sweet cream butter, a half a cup of white sugar, and a half a cup of packed brown sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You'll also need 3 cups of quick cooking oats. For the butterscotch cookies, you'll have a cup of butterscotch morsels. So next, in a bowl, you're going to combine your sugars, softened butter, add the vanilla, as well as the 2 eggs into this wet mixture, and you're going to combine all of your ingredients. Next, in a separate bowl, you're going to take all your dry ingredients, your cinnamon, salt, baking soda, and flour, and mix that well. Once the wet ingredients are all set to go, you're going to gently fold in the rest of the flour mixture into the butter, sugar, egg mixture, and then fold in the rolled oats. And at that point, you're going to divide up the batter, add the cup of butterscotch morsels to 1/2 of the batter, and then leave the other one plain because we're going to ice those cookies. You're going to go ahead and do teaspoon size drops onto parchment paper, and you're going to cook those for about 8 to 10 minutes in the oven on 350 degrees. And once they're done, they will look like this. And then while they're cooking, the first batch, we can make the vanilla icing for the oatmeal cookies. The icing is a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, a tablespoon of milk, and just a splash of vanilla. I'd say like a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And you're going to mix that well, and then you're going to drizzle the glaze over the cooled cookie. Right? And so if you guys remember the old-fashioned oatmeal cookies that you buy in the store, this is something similar. And you're going to just spread the icing and let that cool. And when the icing has dried, they're ready to serve. And so you have your 2 types of oatmeal cookies ready for any occasion.